Here we are, 26 Chevy Lane. This is completely different finishes. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Your neighbors. So that's one I toured. And then I walked across the street and saw these two beauties, which is a completely different builder. You can tell from the finishes, they're a little bit more higher end. Now, these we're looking at is 2 bedrooms. So it's a perfect little Florida cottage. I love the front porch. This one's got different lighting. I even like, it's all in the details, right? I even like the way the signage is on the house. It's a nice sized yard, and there is established trees, so you do get shade. Right now it's about 4 p.m. So that's the one with the black and gold finish we just toured. I actually like that when you look out your kitchen window, you get to see all the beautiful oak trees. Love this. It's already screened in. This is the wine porch. They're ready for your TV here to watch your games. Definitely vibing. I did promise completely different. Samsung. Soft close. Marble. Dovetail construction. Ooh. Hello. I have a thing for closets. There's a fireplace. So this is the main living room area. And I love this little alcove. Higher end washer dryer unit in this one. And you get 2 closets. Oh my gosh. All right, this is where I would live. I would put a chandelier in the middle. I got excited on that one. I love it. I'm a mod girl, so I definitely Miami kind of vibes. Ah, the shower is winning. I like having different ways of getting the water. Now, as you can tell, the HVAC system is in the roof, in the attic space, and so is, and these doors are solid. I mean, wow. Kudos for spending the extra money and putting in solid. I mean, this is not typical builder grade doors that you see in other homes. So you do get every extra bit of space by them putting the hot water heater and the HVAC up. And it's a great sized room too. Pocket door. Love those. And this bathroom is really big, so you really feel the square footage. And you do need square foot in bathrooms. I don't know what the tiny bathrooms, but all right, guys, let me know what you think of the finishes. Which one wins, black and gold or silver and gray?